Hi, I'm Jeff Ludy, the owner of Houston Window Experts. Thank you for watching this video. Today we're going to talk about 5 reasons, I'd say the top 5 reasons, why you would choose vinyl windows for your project. Number 5, suitability. Think about this. There's some places where a vinyl window will work better than another product. For example, let's say you have single pane aluminum windows now. Well, your frame on your single pane aluminum window is going to be about 2.5 inches deep. Like, in other words, it comes towards into the house 2.5 inches. Well, this is a wood window with an aluminum clad exterior. This is 6 inches. You couldn't have a wood window in your house. So you would want an aluminum frame window instead, where vinyl window frames, where they're going to be more like 3 inches, 3 1/4, some are even 2 7/8. So you can see the frame difference here. Suitability. It's a great window to put in a window place where you're taking out aluminum windows. Also, suitability is great for something like this in wet environments. So the kitchen sink is a great place to have a vinyl window. The bathtub, the shower, areas like that, those are really great for that as well. That's number 5. Number 4 is durability. Well, think about this. I mean, the people who are trying to save the planet, and I'm one of them, we hate plastic bottles, right? I mean, when you drink out of a plastic bottle and you toss it, it goes into a landfill. And you know what? 1,000 years from now, you can dig up that plastic bottle and it's still going to be there. So durability, vinyl, my gosh. Polyvinyl chloride, it's vinyl, it's plastic. It's going to last forever. It's virtually zero maintenance. You have to do almost nothing to it. And it's going to stay in that opening and it's going to stay there for a very long time and it's going to look great. Number 3, efficiency. So think about aluminum windows, right? Aluminum windows, they're great conductors of heat and cold. And wood windows, for example, they're great at being beautiful, but they're not great when it comes to maintenance. And so, you know, there's a lot of things I like about some windows and things I don't like about others. But one of the most efficient things about a vinyl window is the fact that this vinyl is not a conductor. It won't conduct the heat and cold. And so when you talk about efficiency and keeping the light bill low or keeping the house comfortable, vinyl is going to do a much better job of almost any window out there at efficiency. Now, one of the things I want to point out before we go on to number 2 is when I say vinyl, I'm talking about great ultra premium vinyl, not cheap junk vinyl like builders would use, not stuff you find in a typical lumber yard or something like that, but a great vinyl product made by a great window company, installed by a great installer is what we're talking about. Here's an example of ugly vinyl, okay? Here's a vinyl window, it's a competitor vinyl window, that in order to have the strength of this vinyl window, it had to be so much wider and chunkier and uglier. Vinyl windows have come a long way. Vinyl technology is a whole lot better than it ever was at efficiency, at durability, at reliability, and also more beautiful. Look at the beautiful colors you can get with vinyl. So that was number 3. Number 2, warranty. When you look at warranties for windows, most window companies will give a 10-year warranty or maybe a 20-year warranty on their product. Vinyl windows, it's rare to find a vinyl window that doesn't offer a lifetime warranty. And most of them also make it transferable. So if you're concerned about having failure with your windows, having a great window to begin with is critical, but also knowing that in the event something happens, because things can happen. I mean, you're dealing with glass and you're dealing with double pane and they could fog up. That is possible. One of the things about a vinyl window is it's going to have a really strong warranty. And if you buy it from Houston Window Experts, you're going to find that we also include labor in our warranty for the life of the time that you live and own your home. Number 1, cost. That's the number 1 reason you should consider vinyl. And I'll say number 1 just for cost, but if you say you find the right color that works for you, it's the right size, they can make the shapes that you need, because there are some limitations to vinyl when it comes to sizes, certain kind of shapes. But anymore, we can find great high quality vinyl windows that have great looking grids on them. They use the best glass you can use on a window, the same glass you'd use on a window that costs 5 times as much. They have great warranties, but you can save a lot of money on the cost. So those are my top 5 reasons. If you got another reason, let us know in the comments below. If you live in Houston, come by our showroom. I'd be glad to show you around and teach you more about windows. If you live somewhere else, don't forget to subscribe, like this video. And if we can help you find somebody in your area that sells windows and doors, it's a great company, check out the link below in the description and you can find a way to contact us there. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. We'll talk again real soon.